Hi guys, we are back with a new season of Detailing Guru. Already season 4. I hope you liked the previous one. And in this episode, I'm going to show you some essential tools that are needed for the DIY enthusiast. For those who have not been here before, my name is Yves and I'm GYEON's brand ambassador. This is Detailing Guru and we are here to show you some tips and tricks how to take properly care of your car. Okay guys, something that I want to emphasize is we are talking DIY home enthusiast tools, not professionals. We are not going into the polishing system. We made previous videos about that. Essential tools for home users. First one, a jack. Cleaning wheels or cleaning wheel arches in winter or cleaning wheels inside, it's far easier to have a jack to get the wheel off. But just make sure when you buy a jack, also buy a jack stand. Because these guys don't tend to tell you when they fail. So better be safe than sorry. Next, a proper pressure washer within your budget. I like to take one with a quick connect system. It makes your life easier rinsing out wheel arches or door shuts. And next to that, and you need one, have a foam gun. You can have a quick connect system which will allow you to quickly switch between foam gun and this rinse gun without having to deal with very big long poles. Okay, next up, when we wash a car, we will need buckets, proper buckets. I advise to take transparent ones. This way you will see the dirt far easier, and also take one for your wash, your rinse and your wheels. Keep these things separate. Next, comfort. A good chair that rolls around and a kneel mat. Your knees will be grateful after some detailing or after a full day of cleaning your car and wheels. Interior wise, a good, very good vacuum cleaner with a long or short hose, up to you, but size does matter, is very important to get your interior clean. So within your budget, pick one, but mind hose and flexibility of the tool. Next up, when you clean your car, you are in need of proper microfibers and wash mitts. Make sure you get good ones, good quality. It's something that touches your paint and is disposable. You will need to rinse it often and change often. Very important, otherwise you will end up with a scratched car. Next up, lighting. When you start polishing or you want to see interior defects, a good inspection light is very important. You have handheld ones, which are very small and easy to handle, or you can go, depending on your budget, on a bigger one, which has some more Bluetooth arranging tools and also different light colors and strengths. Up to you to decide which one you prefer. After we have washed our car, we can use our proper microfiber towels to dry the car, but we are left with a lot of water in crevices, door shuts, engine bay, etc. A blow dryer, and you have different ones, again, up to you to decide which one you choose, is very, very convenient to get the job done. Last but not least, Claybar. For me, an essential tool. We always said before, preparation is key, and Claybar is an essential tool to get the preparation and decontamination done properly. To make your life easier, we will put down a whole list of these products in the description below. So these are the essential tools that I think you need as a DIY enthusiast, but bear in mind, you don't need them all at once. Make sure you pick the ones that you think are the most convenient for you to get the job done. I hope you liked this episode. If you have more tools that you think you need, write them down below in the comments. See you in the next one. I'm out. Ciao.